In this small video I will show you how to create holes for a toilet like this. And in this model I have created a blocking, and what I will do now is that I will cut this sheet. So I will turn off the zone -1, that is the opposite side of the element, and then I'll go in here. And the reason why is that I'm sure that I'm selecting the right piece of sheeting. So I will go into HSB Timber and I'll take this split sheet, select the sheet, and then I will draw a cutting line right here, right click cancel. And as you can see now, I have a sheet here. I can go on splitting in over the blocking if I want to. What I have to do now is I have to add the toilet. So I created a family, a plumbing fixture, and I'll just add that to this sheet and I'll rotate it in the right position. And if I want to, I can just enter a number like that. So the placement is correct. And if I want to really use this around in other walls and so on, what I can do is that I can select the sheeting and, for example, also the beams. And then I can create an assembly. And I'll just call that toilet 01. And down here, I now got an assembly, and I can use that, drag and drop it and place it where I want it. And then use the timber function to cut beams and so on. If I want to create a drawing for this assembly, what I can do is I can go into HSB output and select this create assembly. And right in here, I'll take a default setup from hsbcad and I'll select my assembly and click finish. And what hsbcad has done now is that it has created a shop drawing down here at the assembly. And this is a default, but you can see I have my measures. I can add dimensions for the placement of the holes and so on if I want to. But right now I have here an assembly of adding the toilets.